So welcome to my channel Tech Hacker Records. So please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Installing Kali Linux in any machine is pretty easy. So just we require VirtualBox and the image of Kali Linux. So first of all, let's start by downloading it. So now let's hover over a computer screen. So go to the Google and type VirtualBox. The first link that you see here is of the official VirtualBox website where you can download the VirtualBox. Here is few documentation about VirtualBox, and in the left corner you'll see downloads option. Go to the downloads option. If you are a Windows user, download it through Windows. If you are a Mac user, go to OS X. So currently I am a Mac user, so I have downloaded an OS X version of VirtualBox. I'm cancelling it as it is already present in my PC. Now let's proceed to download Kali Linux. Go to Google and type Kali Linux in the search box. On pressing the search button, you will see multiple links of Kali Linux. So hover down and you will see osboxes.org link. Click on that link. So now scroll downwards and select the appropriate version that you want according to your configuration. So my system is 64-bit, so I'm going with the 64-bit PC, and now it will start automatically downloading. Yes, I have it already, so I'm just cancelling it. So now as we have finished downloading, we'll start installing Kali Linux in a VirtualBox. Installing process in Windows as well as in Mac is quite easy. Just next and finish in Windows, and in Mac the similar way, next and install. So I have installed successfully the VirtualBox in my system. So now the next step comes of installing Kali in my VirtualBox. So now adding Kali to VirtualBox. Click on New. In the name bar, type Kali Linux, and then for version select Ubuntu, that is 64-bit, and the RAM is according to your recommended size, but I recommend you to select it somewhere between, I think it should go to 4096. Yes, that's enough. It's 4 GB of RAM, and then let's hit on create. Here the memory size, this also depends on you, but I'll say 20 GB is more than enough. So go with 20 GB option and then hit create. So now to add the image, go to the settings in the top bar. Now here click on storage. Click on empty below the controller, and there is a CD icon. Click there and choose virtual optical disk. Now select the Kali Linux file that you have downloaded. And press open. Now here you will see that the image has been added to VirtualBox. Now, to enhance the performance of the system, I'll add a CPU. Now go to the systems in the top bar. Here, click on processor, and I'm adding an extra CPU for this Kali Linux. So here one CPU is by default. I'm making it two CPUs. So it will just enhance the performance of the system. And then I'll go and press the OK button at the bottom of the tab. And here is finally our system of Kali Linux is ready. So just click on the start button. Now in this pop-up window there will be option of how you want to install Kali Linux. If you want to temporarily install it in your system, you could go with the option of Live AMD. And here is finally the system is ready for use. So now we have downloaded Kali Linux. We will shift it to full screen mode and see here. It's installed pretty well in the VirtualBox and ready for use. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech Hacker Records.